I have this really great fan and that comes with a remote and all the screws and everything you need to hang it up, plus some really easy directions. So I'm going to take this fan and I'm going to hang it right here. This is the plate that goes on first. So I need to put this on, and then this will attach to it just like that. This goes down on it and it turns and locks into place. Real simple. Super easy installation.
So after the fan install, here's the fan itself. It's got a nice and super bright light and a really nice clean look too. And then the fan goes at different speeds using the remote. Can I see the remote? So, basic remote, easy to understand. Low, medium, high, you can set it to where it turns itself off. And you can stop the fan, turn the fan. See, if you hit this button over here, it no longer spins around, but the fan still keeps going, so this is just more for a look. And you can adjust the brightness of the light as well by tapping it up, or tapping it down and tapping it up, as well as the warmth of the light. So if you'd like it to be a brighter kind of white light, that's nice. That's really nice. Or a warmer light, depending on the time of day or whatever your preferences are. But yeah. Straightforward install, very modern aesthetic, and a lot of options.
In some comics, this means I'm sleeping.
We can't keep operating like this. We gotta fix this place.
Make things look smoother, calmer.